Hello, welcome to this tutorial.
In this series of tutorial, we are going to learn Hibernate framework. So let's start with Introduction to Hibernate. Hibernate is basically an ORM tool for the Java language. ORM stands for Object Relational Mapping. So we can say that Hibernate is a tool which can be used to map objects to database tables or database records. Using Hibernate, you can map Java classes to database tables and you can map Java data types to SQL data types. Hibernate framework saves you a lot of time for developing database extensive applications as it does all the database hard works, so you have more time to focus on implementing business logic. Hibernate is an open source lightweight ORM tool given by Gavin King. And Hibernate is an implementation of Java Persistence API, often known as JPA, so your code has high interoperability with other Java Enterprise Edition applications. So basically we can say Hibernate is an ORM tool which can be used to map objects to database tables. So let us first see how the ORM tool works and then we will discuss the different advantages of using Hibernate. An ORM tool simplifies the data creation, data manipulation and data access. ORM tool is a programming technique that maps the object to the data stored in the database. And this is how we can represent the relationship between ORM tool and the database and Java application. Using ORM tool, objects are mapped to database records. An ORM tool internally uses JDBC API to interact with the database. Let's take an example to understand how objects are mapped to database tables. Let us consider if we have a class employee with these three data members ID, name and salary, and we have three records for class employee. That is, we have three objects for class employee E1, E2 and E3, and these are the respective values of these three objects E1, E2 and E3. Now ORM tool can map these objects to database records which can be represented in this manner. That is, this class employee can be mapped to employee table using ORM tool, and these objects E1, E2 and E3 can be mapped to the records or tuples of employee table with the corresponding values which they have in the object. So this is how basically an ORM tool works and maps the classes to tables and objects to records. Now let us discuss the advantages of using Hibernate framework. Now the first advantage of using Hibernate framework is fast performance. The performance of Hibernate framework is fast because cache is internally used in Hibernate framework. And we will see later on that there are two types of cache in Hibernate framework, first level cache and second level cache. And first level cache is enabled by default, which leads to the fast performance. Now the second advantage is database independent query, that is using HQL in Hibernate framework, which is the object oriented version of SQL, we can generate database independent queries. And the next advantage of Hibernate framework is automatic table creation. Hibernate framework provides the facility to create the tables of the database automatically. So it saves our time as well. And then the next advantage is simplifies complex join. Fetching data from multiple tables is easy when we use the Hibernate framework. And finally, Hibernate has the capability to generate primary keys automatically while we are storing the records into database. So these are some of the advantages of using Hibernate framework. In this tutorial, we have discussed what is the Hibernate framework, why to use Hibernate framework, and what are the advantages of using Hibernate framework. Thank you for watching this tutorial.